Hi, I'm Allison Latman, CEO of LATTitude Learning, and today we are going to answer some questions from our Chasing Momentum Parent Workshop. Today's question is, how can I best motivate my child to do the hard things? She gravitates toward what is easy, but avoids the things that feel hard. I would love to instill in her the ability to practice, try, and fail. So I think there's two parts to this question. The first one is about doing the hard things, and the second one is about failure. As far as doing the hard things, I would do those first. So if your child struggles with writing and maybe finds math a little easier, when you're prioritizing work and homework and tasks for the day and they have an essay and some math homework, I would prioritize doing whatever chunk of the essay you've decided that you're going to tackle that day first, and then doing the math stuff later. This plays into Covey's big rocks, which is kind of the idea that you do the harder tasks, the more difficult tasks, maybe the more time-consuming tasks first, and then you'll have time and mental energy to do the things that come easier or are just kind of like smaller everyday tasks. And as far as instilling the ability to practice, try, and fail, that takes a whole mental shift for all of us. So if you and your child have not been used to celebrating failures, this is going to take time to develop. Depending on the age of your child, you might want to have a real conversation about how we don't learn unless we're failing. This is the conversation I have with students all the time, that if they succeed in everything they do, they're not learning anything. So if we want to learn and grow, we will fail, and that's expected and to be celebrated and learned from. And it's also important that we follow through on that. So when your child fails, no matter how small or how big, that we celebrate that and we learn from that and we move forward. And we don't let those failures keep us from trying again, whether it's that same task or something else. Anyway, I hope it helped. Let me know what other questions you have. We're going to keep answering some more.